Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, if you don't already know me, and I traveled alone to the south of France. So here I am. I've been here for about a week and I've been loving it. I feel like I finally got myself into a really good routine. Today I was wanting to take you along with me and do a solo traveler's day in the life in the south of France. If you didn't watch my last video, I'm staying in the city of Cannes and I'm here with my cousin. They have a beautiful home here. I'm only gonna show you my room because I don't wanna invade their privacy, but it is beautiful. My favorite thing about the whole room is this giant window with French doors and French shutters. It's perfect. I feel like Belle in Beauty and the Beast, the city just gives me Beauty and the Beast vibes and I'm here for it. Are you ready? So I wake up with this natural light shines onto my bed, which is over there, and then I wake up in the morning and just isn't that amazing? Okay, I'm done messing around now, but can you see how amazing this natural light is? It's just the best part of the room by far. But I have my bed back there, I have a closet here, another closet in the corner here. I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see. So this is my room. It's so sweet. I love the colors. This honestly has been a lifesaver because I have been keeping my stuff so organized. That's my dirty clothes, so don't look at it. I've been keeping my stuff so organized in here. And then also the other closet, I packed a lot, guys. I packed too much, but you know what? No regrets. This is so nice with all the shelving and stuff. I feel so organized, more organized than I am at home. So this is my workout fit of the day. I am wearing a Fabletics top, a Rami top, and then these little cycle shorts are from Amazon and they are the best, especially if you're short because they just fit you at the right length. Okay, now it's time for my workout. I have been working out using my laptop or my phone because there's a website and an app called Obey Fitness. They have so many pre-recorded classes and working out is just a non-negotiable for me because if I don't work out, I don't feel good about myself and then I just don't act like my best self. And if it's a 20-minute workout, it does me so much better than not working out at all. So I really love this. And there's just so many options. There's vinyasa, strength, cardio boxing, dance cardio, sculpt, Pilates, bar, so many things. I usually do yoga just to get my inner zen in the morning. So I think I'm gonna do yoga today, but let me show you what the website looks like. You just hit classes over here, and then you can choose from all of these pre-recorded classes. They also have live classes, but I just do the pre-recorded ones because my time schedule over here doesn't line up with the live classes over there. Okay, as I was setting up my computer to work out, I realized that it's on low battery and I was just bragging about how everything is so organized here and I can't find my computer charger. So I just had to call myself out really quick because I don't know where it is. It was in a Zara shopping bag. I am an organized queen. That was so good. I'm in such a better mood after 30 minutes of yoga, so I'm very happy I did that. But it is now 1 and I haven't eaten anything yet or consumed any caffeine. So I think I'm gonna make myself a matcha. Then I've been wanting to try this place called Greenland. It seems like a really healthy salad smoothie place around here, so I was thinking of walking there and trying that out. Also, just to let you guys know, so many people have confused me for a French woman because so many people have just come up to me to start conversation and will speak to me in French, and of course I have to ask them if they speak English or Spanish, but I'm fitting in quite well here, which makes me pretty happy. Okay, so this Greenland place is close to the beach, so I decided that after I eat my salad I'm going to go to the beach, so I'm throwing on this bikini, which is from my most recent Shein haul. I like counting my steps too much to take my Apple Watch off, So Apple Watch tan it is, but isn't this bathing suit super cute? People wear whatever for bathing suits here, but usually for clothes on top, people are in flowy dresses or jeans with flowy top. Just nothing too tight. I feel like everybody wears like very flowy clothing here, but I'm about to put some sunscreen on and then I'm going to pack up my bag. Sunscreen is on and I am finished packing my bag. If you want to know what's in my bag, check out my Instagram because I posted a reel explaining everything that I keep in here. This is my cover-up look for lunch. Just a little shirt and some shorts. Okay, I'm in a quiet street filming this because I got nervous, but I went to that restaurant, completely forgot to film my food, but I did take a picture, so I'm gonna leave it here. It was really good. But before going to the restaurant, I looked online and their whole menu was in English, everything, so I assumed the people there would speak English. I went and it seemed as if they didn't speak English, and so that always just makes me a little bit nervous, so my French isn't as good, so I was looking for different things and I was just nervous, so I was struggling a little bit. She brings my food, everything's good, I'm eating, and then I go to ask for the check and I said l'addition and she was like, what? In perfect English. And I was like, the check, and I was like, how do I say it? And she was like, l'addition. So I added an A that didn't need to be there, it's l'addition. But she was like, I was like, I didn't think you spoke English. And she was like, yeah, I speak perfect English, I just thought you wanted to practice. This girl straight up knew I was struggling, but I'm happy she did that because I did learn a few new things. I didn't even film at that restaurant just because I was so nervous that people were gonna hear me speaking English and just giving me looks, and that's something that I need to get over because so many people here speak English, and everybody here, I haven't met one, except for the cashier that accused me of stealing 2 days ago, I haven't met one mean person, so I really need to feel more comfortable filming and just talking in English and practicing my French because I think sometimes I just immediately think like, oh my gosh, what is everybody else thinking of me? And that is definitely something I need to get over. But the food was really good. I'm on my way to the beach now. I want to give you a look at everything around me. I'm sort of in like the bar area of town. Like this is where we go out at night, but the beach Cannes is the beach, so the beach is close wherever you are. The beach is right there, so I'm gonna film just around this area, and I'll probably take like a 10-15 minute walk along the beach before I find my spot. Okay, just to give you a little tour of where I am. So I'm right across from the beach. Isn't this so beautiful? And then over here, that is where they do the Cannes Film Festival. So the red carpet usually goes up those stairs, which is super cool. I came here a day after it ended. I just spent about 2 to 3 hours at the beach. It's almost 7. The sun doesn't set until 10 p.m., which means I've got a full day ahead of me. I went to a beach a little bit further down because it's less touristy. The main beaches are so packed right now because I guess French people, this is what my cousin was explaining to me, French people usually take the months of July and August for vacation, and so everyone in France is here in Cannes or just in the south of France right now, but it's so beautiful. This man just asked me for directions in French, so I said, "Parlez-vous anglais?" And he said no. And I tried to speak to him in French, and I don't even want to tell you guys what I attempted to say because it just did not come out right. Anyways, nice man. Moving on. This is one of my favorite parts of Cannes. It's just a long street with all these beautiful restaurants and apartments on top. It's just so pretty. Looks like a movie set. I got strawberry, coconut, and pistachio. And it's a cute little flower. I'm home now. This is the stray cat that we feed. He's so sweet. Oh, you want to have fun? You want to play? Sometimes he brings his friends. Like 4 of his friends have homes because they all have collars, and they just come to hang out and watch him eat. But today, no friends today. Just you. Oh, you're having fun. You're having fun. I've never really liked cats before, but I love this cat so much. If I could bring him back in my suitcase, I definitely would. What's a good name for him? What's a good name for you? We'll think of something. Drop it in the comments. The cutest cat there ever was. Okay, I don't think you can see us well at all, but I am feeding him right now. Sometimes after he eats, he still cries because he just wants attention. Is that right? Is that right? Oh my gosh, look who's here. Just in time for food. His other friend. I told you there were more. Are you gonna share? Looks like this guy doesn't have a collar, so maybe he's a stray too. But I know this one is our stray because he has a little something in his tail. He got into a fight or something. I saw him like 4 blocks down one day, literally running in front of a car. Like, what were you doing, honey? What were you doing? He's being patient, letting him eat first. How nice.